Reflect that the defendant is present in the courtroom.
Tonight, the racist mass shooter that traveled over 200 miles with the sole purpose of killing black people at Tops on Jefferson, arguing the maximum punishment is too extreme. The shooter's attorneys filing 4 separate motions in an attempt to exempt the now 20-year-old from the death penalty and for the federal indictment as a whole to be thrown away with it. In the filings, the attorneys calling the federal case cruel and unusual, given that the shooter has already been sentenced to the maximum penalty at the state level of life in prison without parole, and argue he should be treated differently than fully developed adults when it comes to the death penalty because at the time of the shooting, he was just 18 years old and his brain was not yet fully developed.
Well, I'm not surprised at all by the fact that motions are made on a pretrial basis.
Terry Connors sits on the other side of this motion as the attorney for some of the victims' families.
But I'm a little bit surprised about some of the issues that were raised because, in my judgment, they've been definitively decided by other courts.
He tells me both arguments made by the shooter's attorneys have already been struck down in other federal courts, just not here in New York.
Out west in California, they've been decided already. In the Midwest, they've been decided.
And therefore, there is precedent for the judge to follow suit.
They're adopting a minority view, hoping, and they say so in their papers, that the minority view will be adopted by our circuit. I think it's a long shot.
Tonight, yet another roadblock.
Every time I speak with the families, I get one response. They're looking for closure.
And the now 2-year-long wait for justice.
They want to move on with their lives. They want to put this horrific event behind them, and they want to bring something positive out of it.
On your side in Buffalo, Andy Pate, Channel 2.